Alright guys, so I'm going to show you exactly how to make an amazing lamp from this Clase Azul bottle. And first thing you got to do is look at the center mark here. That's the front center where this agave tree is. So we're going to make a mark on the back, exactly in the back here. That's where I want the cord to come out when it's done, okay? And then the second thing you're going to want to do is take one of your old lamps. I got these at the Goodwill, very cheap, and inspect it and see if there's anything useful that you can use. So one thing I thought was really cool is it had this like really sticky foam on the bottom, which I think is pretty freaking cool. So without getting it dirty, I could probably cut it cleanly and put it on the bottom. That's like a thing that helps it not skid on your table. So I think that'll be cool. So I'm gonna put that aside. First thing I do is submerge this bottle in water because I like the water to cool the drill bit down. And the drill bit that you're gonna use for this project is this type. It's in the tile section of Home Depot or your hardware store for drilling through glass or ceramic tile. And first couple notes is you just let the drill do the work and very slowly, don't go too crazy, and then you can speed up as you go because you don't want to break it. Remember, this is a dense material, so it's not like wood, there is no give. So you want to take your time with it as not to break your bottle. So I'm not gonna say it was simple. You have to be patient. You have to take your time, right, with it and don't rush it, but I'm gonna show you the result. Honestly, you get a beautiful cut that's gonna look amazing. Look at this. It looks factory done. If you do it submerged in water, you're gonna get good results, but you have to be patient. So the next part I worked out is this hole is just shy of 3/4 inch. So I got a 3/4 inch wood dowel, okay? And it's very tight. So what I'm gonna do is just sand it until it's snug and then cut it as like a filler, and then I'm going to glue it in place. Then I can drill a hole to put all the parts through, and so then it'll be like one solid fixture. Then I can tighten the nut and it'll be awesome. All right guys, so the finished product looks unfreaking believable. This is a sweet looking lamp, I can't believe it. I started off with a great plan, I had a great idea, and then it finished out really well. So let me show you. Right, and the finishing touch with the finial on top, it looks amazing. I'm gonna do a couple different shots so you can see it. I hope you like this video. I hope you watch all my videos in succession to see exactly how I did it. And if you like this, please follow, subscribe, share this with your friends, and help this blow up. I really appreciate it. And let me know what you want to see next. And you absolutely will see me on the next one.